Okay, it only took me 2 hours to get this set up. My ladder is only 24 feet and it's just not tall enough to reach all the way up there, so I put some scaffolding and set it on top of that and strapped it down so it doesn't fall off. And the goal today was to cut the edge of the roof. I think it looks pretty good. And I still got to do this side over here. So the question is how do you measure from on top of the roof to the rafter to line things up? I can't reach my arm under there with the tape. It's just too dangerous. And so I thought, well, I gotta be able to feel under there. So I came up with this piece of rebar that's about 5 feet long. I bent it in half, so it gives me about 2.5 feet, which is what's recommended for the overhang on the edge of this tongue and groove decking. And so what you do is, I don't know if I can do this with the camera, but anyway, you slip it on when you're up there over the edge of a board, and then wherever it pokes out on top, well, you get the idea. You push it all the way up to the edge of the board so that this end is touching the board, and then on the other end you just mark, and that's wherever it's touching the rafter is how far in it'll go, and then the length of it is about 30 inches. So that's how I lined it up to make that nice cut.